Welcome, guys and gals, to a brand new episode. This is just going to be a short video.
I'm going to say what's on my mind. What was that last thing you said?
Me just playing with the SSR on the field. I do apologize, I have not been posting. We'll dive more into that I'll talk about that after this video. So this is just going to be no music, me just basically working out kinks and testing and just basically just getting on the bike and having a little bit of fun. So hope you enjoy. Stick around to the very end and I'll explain where I've been for the last 2 weeks or more. Okay, bye. Should be recording. I have no idea if I'm recording or not, but I'll see how it goes. I have not been on a bike in a little bit, have I? Second gear, second, first, tight, first gear again. This is all first gear because these are almost ready to 20. Then second gear, second, and second. belly burn. Ooh, rock. Straight away, turn. Turn again. Mud pile turn. There we go. I gotta work on my right. I'm tired of that. Gotta work on my right. My right turning sucks. Alright, let's see if I can get it, gas it more to turn. There we go. Better. Gas it more. There we go. I'll slide that out a little bit. Nah, not bad. Inside corner. Well, thank you guys and gals for watching that short little clip that I made. It was basically done on my new little mount I got, helmet. I kind of wanted to get something back to like I used to do on my Ducati, a more of a chin mount style, so I got this to help out. The helmet view, as I do appreciate some of your comments, is a little bit better. Some people like that mount, but I do have to just work on getting the camera more up. But anyways, guys and gals, where I've been, I actually got to enjoy and meet my new grandson. So got to go out of state to go visit, go see. Meantime, basically because of that, I got massively sick, and then also work, then what I do got backed up. So therefore I have been basically just trying to do catch up. So I've had a couple times to go ride, but each time it's only been for a very short stint, and I just have not had enough time to go out there. But I do have a trail ride that I have set up. I also have another track I'm going to visit. I also going to plan on going back to East Bend at night and film that. So that's another thing. And plus I also have other videos. One I'm just going to kind of tell you guys about. Somebody even asked me, how much is it to actually dive into getting into dirt biking? So I thought that would be a fun little breakdown of the difference. Diving into dirt biking, how much? But then maybe you want to get into street bikes. How much is that? So I'm working on that. So that will be filmed. And yeah, so that's where I've been. I'm sorry for not posting as much, but please hit your notifications and, exercise that finger, smash that like, sub if you're new, share this video, especially regarding with SSR. It's a great bike. I'm enjoying it. It's a good, fun little bike. And, just having a good time enjoying. And again, I have more stuff coming out, but just apologize. This is just a little extra footage. I know somebody might get very tired of me doing stuff on the property, but as the next video I'm going to be posting, it cost a little bit of money to go do the other things. So hope you guys enjoy. Take care. Ride safe. Ride smart. Don't do drugs. And I will see you guys in the next video. Ooh.